Hi, and welcome to Successful Learning Strategies. I'm Chelsea O'Brien. I'm the coordinator of tutoring and academic support, and I help run the GCC Learning Center. So today we're going to talk a little bit about successful learning strategies. This module is broken down into 4 different parts. An introduction, which you're part of right now. After this, you're going to have 2 reflection questions. Then we're going to move on to 2 middle parts. We're going to talk about Bloom's taxonomy, each category or learning level within Bloom's taxonomy, how that learning level can apply to you, how you can use it based on your classes, based on other questions you've already been asked in those classes. And then you're going to be asked to submit a reflection question. The second part of that middle section is about learning strategies. So these are based on Bloom's taxonomy, which we'll have just reviewed, how you can study better for the classes that you're in, and then a knowledge check, bringing everything together. And then finally, in the conclusion, I'm not going to talk at you at all, but I'm going to ask you to fill out 2 reflection questions. So what's next? I'm going to post 2 reflection questions, assignments within the module, asking you to reflect just in a short paragraph for 2 questions. 1, what was learning like for you before GCC? And 2, what study skills have you previously learned? Thank you so much for taking part in this module. I really enjoy working with all of our students, and I hope you learn a lot.